I just want to snowboard and Benton's taking forever. Yeah! You guys see all those log tubes? Today's gonna be sick! He barely made it.
Yo!
You need speed. You need more speed. Alright, Shadow, give me this. What up, Team Hookhouse? Welcome to Howelson Hill, the oldest ski resort in North America. This is insane. It's so small, and it literally has 3 ski jumping jumps. 4?
It's like
6 ski jump. If you know what that is, that's like the people that bomb the hill and they fly like 90, 100 feet. That's insane. They have a park. They got a chairlift. They got a Palma. Oh, dude, it's going down today. So with us on this journey, we have Benton, the TikToker. We have a TikTok competition, so follow me on TikTok. And then we got Daniel, who knows all the information about this place. Like, what's it named after?
it's named after the guy who basically brought skiing to Colorado, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so Daniel is our new member of our team. He's literally just here to give us facts about the ski resorts that we go to, which is super sick. But Daniel's channel's in the description, Benton's channel's in the description. Give the boys some love, and enough talking. Let's go rip this tiny, tiny ski resort in Colorado, and the oldest ski resort in North America. I'm excited. That view of Steamboat though, what? You guys see all those log tubes? Today's gonna be sick! Daniel has filled in as our slingshot man. Okay guys, I cannot tell you how sick this little resort is. We've done a bunch of laps. This is North America's oldest active running ski resort, established in 1914 with 90 Olympians. The most Olympians for America have come out of this single ski resort. That's kind of crazy, but it's hard to show you, but there's these huge ski jumping things. So obviously they did it for ski jumping. It's sick. It's got this chairlift and a Palma. The Palma's only for the ski race that's going on right now. And there is a carpet for the park, which we're heading to right now. Oh my goodness, these kids just sent that rock that we've been hitting. Huge. But dude, the log rails was a super surprise. Those are super fun, super clean, and well built. Whoever built those, shout out to you. But this resort right here next to Steamboat, which is like world renowned, everyone comes on trips to Steamboat and everything like that. This is right next to it, $30 for a day. It's free on Sunday, which is super cool. But you come to this tiny little ski resort and you can have just as much fun as you do at Steamboat. Like, I'm having a blast. This rock is one of the highlights of the day too. You can send this thing. But you know what else you can send? Today's sticker shout out. We got Barbie Garisigo with the green Evolution sticker on the board. Looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We also have the_culprit13, not only rocking the Evolution sticker, but Kuno Optic goggles, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. Anytime you snag any of the merch, guys, it supports trips like this to come ride this tiny ski resort. So if you want to support the dream, snag an Evolution sticker, hoodie, but then tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow my Instagram. It's how you know we were riding the smallest or oldest ski resort in North America, as well as I might be riding Keystone, you might be at Keystone, then you can come meet up with me for the day. So know where I'm snowboarding by following the Instagram, but also just the bonus extra content. So follow the Instagram so you don't miss any bonus extra content. And so many of you following, we just hit 16,000 followers on Instagram. Mind blowing. All right, that was a mouthful. They're making fireworks, and if it explodes, I'll die. And let's go to the park. Dude, how sick is this mountain?
So sick. Did you know this is the second oldest chairlift in the country?
Hey man,
You stole that from Daniel.
my job.
Well, you are a skier.
I totes forgot there's a whole bunch of ski jumps this way. It literally says keep off the ski jumps. So we're just gonna have to board the Palma in the middle. It freaking jumps you. Benton.
I know.
It like jumps you in the air. Okay, now that we're not gonna launch off a ski jump, we're gonna go this way. This should be the way to the park. That's a ski jump. Oh man. POW ski jump. That's terrifying looking. You guys can't probably tell, but it's like here's the park, and they got two huge jumps. We're gonna be hot lapping the park on this carpet, but this is a good shot of the ski jumps. Oh man, we almost went down one of those, Benton. So we let Benton dummy the jump for us. There was no speed.
But dummy.
The locals are saying you gotta walk all the way up there, ride through these trees, down this catch rock, pump, and you'll get enough speed to clear the small one. So it's a lot of effort, but
Daniel.
we'll see.
We got a favor.
Can you be a filmer?
judge your speed for us?
We're gonna judge you.
That's straight lining.
And he barely made it.
Let's see what I can.
Alright guys, live on the iPhone, Daniel's got my GoPro filming the jump. Whoa, this is the hardest I worked for average jumping. You gotta climb up that tree chute and just haul butt into that jump. By the time you get to it, you're going super duper slow. But super sick, super fun. It's just fun charging the trees, because sometimes when you do a backcountry jump, that's what it's like. So I'm just kind of more mentally enjoying the drop-in than the actual trick, the jump. But this is insane, just hanging out next to these ski jumps. Overall, this mountain You can see the view a lot better on the iPhone. So sick. There's Steamboat right there. Ooh. What a fun day. Hold up.
There we go. Yo!
Alright, that was a sick little jump session. Shout out to Daniel for filming that. He also filmed the monoski video. If you missed that, check it out. But I'm stoked to get a backflip on the jump. It's not every single day you come out and backflip. The hardest part about backflipping on a day where the sky looks like the snow is you don't know where you're at. It's just like, and you're just kind of feeling everything. But once again, charging through the trees, hitting the jump. That was a good time. The park was okay. This mountain's just cool. Everything about it's just cool. It's different. And I love it. Every single mountain I've gone to has a different feel to it, a different thing that makes it special. This one is obviously the massive ski jumps. Big shout out to Howson Ski Resort, Ski Hill. Big shout out to Howson for having us out here, guys. This is sick. They hooked us up with tickets to come out here and make a video. So guys, thank you. You guys should check it out. Once again, it's free on Sundays. You just got to get a reservation. Not too many people show up. They do ski racing here, all kinds of stuff. Overall, this was a sick day.
Yeah.
Who brought those guys? It would have been sick to rip Steamboat, but the line, we looked at the cameras, the line was like a 2-hour wait to get on the gondola. So I think we won. There was no wait. Got to send some jumps, got to hit some log rails, got to just experience the vibe of a small ski resort. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Not only when you smash the like button do more people get to see it, but the almighty YouTube algorithm will bless me. So please just smash that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Not only do we run to all these other cool ski resorts all around the United States, but I drop a bunch of how-to videos for you, a bunch of trick tips, things like that, as well as daily vlogs. So they're super fun. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And I know a bunch of you aren't subscribed, so subscribe to the channel. And this was a new ski resort. Oh, we gotta go get a pin.
Yeah.
I gotta go get a pin. I get a pin at every single ski resort. And if you don't know, I have my own Evolution pin. That's linked in the description. But if you want to know where I've gone snowboarding at every single ski resort all across the United States, there's a link down below. It's a map of the United States and every ski resort in the United States. My goal is to ride every single one of them. And so right now there's a lot of red and some green. And when you highlight over the green resorts, you see the video which we filmed at that area. It's super cool. So check out that, subscribe, like the video, and anything else?
Not really.
This is a sick day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But with that, Team Elgas, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, because it's daily.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna...
Living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion.